Okay, now that we know how to collect like terms, we can begin the story of a playground. And the problem with this playground is there is a kid that is a jerk on the playground. I know it's not a nice word, but it's the truth. He's just a jerk. He's not very nice. I'm not going to put a name to him, but we'll just call him the jerk, okay? And the reason he is a jerk is because he does not want to share his side of the seesaw with anyone else. He wants to be by himself. So we'll say if we have x plus 2 equals 12, okay? We're going to make this a seesaw. The equal sign is the fulcrum, a little science word for you. And one of the side of the seesaw has 12. The other side of the seesaw has x plus 2. And so the problem is that we have a jerk here. No. And the jerk is the one that is always the unknown, okay? We just don't know his name. We don't know anything about him. He's the unknown. We know this is 2 and we know this is 12. So the jerk must be x. So the first question you ask yourself is, who's the jerk? And the answer is x. X is the jerk. And then you say, well, why is he a jerk? And the answer would be because he doesn't want to share his side of the seesaw with anyone else. So we think, okay, he's a jerk. At the end of the day, he wants to be on the seesaw himself, which you will see in algebraic terms, we're solving for x. It's the same thing. So what do we say? The next question is, who is on the seesaw with x? And it's very obvious, it's 2. So the next question is, what is happening between the jerk, x, and 2? And it's very clear they're being added. I know you're already saying, Ms. King, you're dragging this thing out. And I know the answer is 10 because I know that in my mind and I'm very smart. And that's okay. But I want you to see the process with a very easy problem so you can use the same process for when it becomes more difficult. So what's happening between x and 2? They're being added. How do you undo addition? Subtraction. So what we need to do is subtract 2 from that side. That will take the 2 off that side, but whatever we do to one side of the seesaw, we have to do to the other side. So we subtract 2 from that side. Then we see that 2 comes off, and all we have on this side is x, which is great. And on this side, we have 12 minus 2, and we have 10. And that is the answer. And that is the very beginning of SeeSaw.